Family and friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Shkoder Castle, and GoPros are notoriously not good in low light, but I wanted to show you inside this little cafe that's inside the castle. There's stone ceilings and stone floors. Let's take a walk around Castle in Shkoder. It's huge. Yes, I captured there's a tour group over there, but I want you to see these ruins. I'm going to take you where you can see the river from here. It's fantastic. It cost us 200 lick, $2 to enter the castle. But no one actually took the ticket. It's weird. You buy the ticket, but no one asked for it. That's cool. But I want to show you these ruins. I got to show you this view. Oh, these stones are hard on my feet, though. Oh, because they're not even. Ah. You have to remember, guys, I'm about to turn 61, so forgive me. But look at this river. Mountains in the background. Here's the ruins right here of the castle. Beautiful. Just over there, Lake Shkoder. Past that is Montenegro. So way back here, I hope you can see it. Lake Shkoder. I think there's a different name for it. Orchid? I'm not sure. I'm sure I'll get corrected in the comment section. Go for it. But I wanted you guys to see this view from on top of the castle. Now let's take a walk down from the castle. Look how steep these steps are. Yeah. Glad about these new tennis shoes. This castle is monstrous. It is still standing. And that, where we started the film, that's that little cafe that I got inside the building. It's remarkable. Tour groups. Check out these ruins. Gorgeous day today. It's amazing, like April was saying, you can actually touch history. Remarkable. I'm tripping on these stone rows, hard on the feet, but man, you got to gather these and you got to put them in, and my God, the work they had to do. Look at these walls. Like April says, you can touch history. Once again, we're up north in Shkoder. I love the city. Beautiful city. I hope I can take you into where the locals live, kind of like we did in Toronto. But these castle ruins go on and on and on. More view to river. Look at these ruins. Coming up on a view of the city of Shkoder. Let you check that out. What's amazing when you have to build these castles, what a perfect defensive position. Because attacking armies have to climb this hill while they're getting stuff thrown at them. There's the city, Shkoder Lake. Now a lot of times they'll have wells. You can walk right up on them. Like if you fall in this, or a child does, it's over. Let me see if this one's open. Oh yeah, Oh yeah. Following that, it's over. I mean, they believe in Darwin's theory to the letter. If you're stupid enough to fall in there, you're a waste of oxygen. These ruins are just endless. This castle is huge. Going down is a lot easier than it was going up. We took a cab that took us like 3/4 of the way, and I'm telling you, even that one last quarter that we walked, I was huffing and puffing. It's poor folks going up. That was what I look like. Now you see that platform there? Everyone's walking up. We're gonna walk up there, because then you could get a really nice view of the city. But just this castle just went on and on. Beautiful. And what's interesting, when I'm hearing people walk by me speaking, a lot of Deutsch, Italian, English. So people from all over the world are coming here. I think what happened when everyone else shut it down during COVID and Albania didn't, the tourists came here and discovered it. And it's just blown open now. And everybody's coming. Look at the ladies.
Les parents de belle-mère, ses parents, ils sont venus en France.
Trying to get up these steps here.
Ils n'ont jamais été naturalisés. La grand-mère,
Il y en a encore deux.
Là, c'est le lac.
All right, guys.
Le lac de Shkoder. Shkoder, c'est la ville.
City of Shkoder.
Et le lac tient le nom de Shkoder. Parce que c'est bâti en
View of the river,
1913 dans la
lake.
conférence à Londres.
I believe it's the largest lake in the Balkans. Here, a guy talking is a tour group that's next to me.
Montenegro. Parce que maintenant, 2/3 du lac appartient à Montenegro. 1/3 à nous.
I'm gonna let you guys go. I just wanted you guys to see this. The camera does it no justice. Just past there is Montenegro, which we'll visit someday, I promise. Anyways, I love you guys, right? See ya from Shkoder.